Bitcoin hoodie guy coming back with another Kaspa video. It's over 18 cents. It has pulled back a little bit, but you can see right here, all-time high. It says 18.1 here. I think it did get a little bit higher than that. Today, February 18th, we're down basically just a third of a percent from the all-time highs. So it's a beautiful thing. Kaspa's had a great couple weeks right there. I guess a great week, a little over a week, about 12 days. So it's been a nice couple weeks. Pretty much everyone's in profit now. You can see it's climbing up, number 25 here on crypto rank. Over here, you can see it's 24. I think it did get up to 23, 22. You can see right there 18.23. Let's see. Bitcoin still hanging about the same, just about 52,000. Let's just see over here. Yeah, it's so basically 18.4 cents is what it's showing on coin market cap. And then on the trading view on crypto rank, it's not shown quite as high, but basically right there, still the price discovery. So that's pretty cool. It's good to wake up in the morning and seeing that. You can check out the hash rate. It's kind of about the same. It's been fluctuating kind of a lot between basically 165, 180. Nothing really new to see there. I didn't see any big announcements in Discord. It's been a while since the last announcement. Some votes right here. Right here that's closed. It was just to allow some of the funding. And then the funding pools votes. The videos would cover topics such as block DAG versus blockchain, the difference between Kaspa and Bitcoin. So the contest winner selected through limited voting will receive Kaspa based on community donations. So the deadline would be around 25 to 30 days. So some voting and funds is all I saw there. So yeah, you can see what people. I mean, everyone's excited right here, showing 18.4 cents. So crypto rank is a little off there, but so yeah, new all-time highs. You like to see that. Good morning. Thank you for making the update. Thank you. Kaspa has a community of intelligent long-term investors to create the type of steady growth you see and make way for whales to make money. Samantha, thanks for chiming in. The buy and hold, the minority of the community seeks quick returns. In the meantime, the majority seeks to shrink the amount of Kaspa in circulation. The demand drives up the price. Real actions and determination makes dreams come true. Yep, people have been patient building up during this, the last couple months where, it really shot up from 5 cents up to 15. That boring price action where it basically went sideways, down a little bit, but mostly in that 10 to 12.5 cent range for a couple months. A good chance for people to accumulate. And now as we're closing in on the Bitcoin halving and Kaspa starting to take off, further it climbs up coin market cap, the further, the more eyeballs it's going to get on it. And right here, this is a good time for people to accumulate. Those wick downs under 10 cents weren't for very long. Some people thought it was going to go back to 5 or 7 cents. It did wick down to the 7.5, 7 once, but I don't think, it'd have been pretty hard pressed to find someone that actually was able to buy then. That was pretty quick. And so, yeah, people are excited. And then when people are getting excited, some more people seeing right there, showing 26. Just depends on if you're using CoinGecko, Crypto Rank, Coin Market Cap, so right there, 24, 4.1 billion right now, 20.2, there's about almost 80% circulating supply. What's cool is you can go over here to the mission schedule and you can play around with this and you can see where we're going to be at potentially next year. You can see it's aggressive. So 2025, right now, the reward's 123 Kaspa. You can see basically kind of November of next year, it's already going to be down to 38 Kaspa. And then by 2029, 2028, kind of the next halving, around that time, it'll be already down to 5.78 Kaspa. No worries. It's still cheap, still under $5. It'll always get more expensive as circulation shrinks. I agree. So, yep, there's a lot going on right now, and a lot of excitement. And yeah, depending on what price, still a good deal. It's been a good deal pretty much the whole time it's been around. And it took off during the bear market. And now that we're in the bull market, it's still just doing its own thing. We're about 62 days away from the halving, so sometime around April 15th, give or take a few days. Um, and so, yeah, there's people that have been mining and accumulating at all these different price levels. Probably some miners and stuff taking some profit here and there to pay for their mining rigs. Maybe some people got their initial investment back. But I first was like February of last year, and I bought in about 7/10 of a cent, but then I just took a 2x and then really got back in at 5 cents. And yeah, so our bags are looking good. Patience, and if you believe in something long term and you're accumulating and building your long term strategy, today puts a smile on your face, but then you might have a pullback tomorrow. So you just got to keep your emotions in check. But it's always fun when you're when your portfolio is going up. And so yeah, that's it. Pretty much, I don't see any huge news. Um, I didn't see anything on Discord. I didn't just people really posting about that it's hitting new all-time highs over here. Um, and I don't see any big news, but when you get a project like this and more people start finding out about it, or don't know exactly who that whale is, um, I can't remember if that one's just not tagged or if that one is connected to, if it's connected to Mexi, or it's not tagged yet. But the one with 184 million, over a billion, Kaspa, and so there's a lot of catalysts with tier one exchange listing, 10 blocks per second, smart contracts. There's so much more, and eventually, when you do look at that emission schedule, transaction fees will have to place in order for the network to be secure. You can see here, you zoom out a few years, you're going to, by 2028, there's not going to be a whole lot of Kaspa. So somewhere you're going to need transaction fees to start replacing the mining reward, just like Bitcoin. So that's all I got today. It's a good day to wake up. Maybe it's Binance and Coinbase, possibly. You got to dive a little bit further, maybe into that wallet and see where it got some of the Kaspa. I thought, let's see, because I kind of stopped looking at that for a while. You can see if it got, I guess it's only got 3. So let's see. It's only got 3 pages of transaction history. It's not good. Didn't get any from a wallet that's tagged. So yeah, the first looks like in December 12th, they got 10 Kaspa, sent out 1 Kaspa. They're basically testing it. Then they started loading up 82,000 Kaspa, 100,000 Kaspa, sent 100 Kaspa, got 100,000 Kaspa, 100,000 Kaspa, sent 11,000, got 90,000, got 50,000 Kaspa. And then they got 50 million. So 49 million, 43 million, 40 million, 36 million, 35 million, 32 million, 31 million, 29 million, 29 million, 27 million, 26 billion, 24 million, 24 million. So they had about 10 transactions starting small, testing out the wallet, and then they started jumping up, getting millions. And this is just kind of all in December. And then the last stretch that took them over. So most of their transactions happened in a week or a couple days there in December. And then they had a few more, like here, received 0.001. That might have been just someone playing around. 3 Kaspa, that might have just been just a regular Kaspa person. 10 million, 10 million. One, they sent out 35,000. 7 million, 5 million. They sent out 20 Kaspa. And then they started loading up more, 15 million. These last couple days, is what put them over the top to get them into Aquaman status. So it's exciting times. Happy to be a Caspinator. Strong Hands, another YouTuber, traced these recent accumulations to a financial holding company for Coinbase. Oh, thanks for chiming in, Ron. So apparently someone traced these somehow to a wallet that potentially could be connected to a Coinbase. Um, let's see, a Coinbase company. So that's good. Since Quest Holy is going to really fly soon, just Joe Biden's wallet. Damn, it's crazy. So yeah, that would make sense if it's potentially a Coinbase or Binance, but sounds like it could be connected to a Coinbase company. Wouldn't surprise me. A decentralized project like this, why won't it get listed on those? And then once it gets listed on Binance or Coinbase, you're going to see these pumps like this will look like nothing. So stay bullish, my friends, and let's enjoy this ride, enjoy this bull run, and have fun. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.